Glad you could join us for our broadcast of NBA basketball. This is Brian Anderson at the table with basketball royalty. Grant Hill and Clark Kellogg. Allie LaForce, our reporter. It'll be the Pelicans off the tip. Right side, Jones. Williamson outside. Some nice passing by New Orleans here. And the foul on Jabari Smith. That's his first foul.
These calls can be so difficult for officials to make.
Yeah, but in this case, I think he got it right. The defender was still moving there and never really had good legal guarding position. He wasn't set.
6 on the shot clock. Here's Williamson. It's good. And the assist goes to Murray.
With authority, Zion making sure they beat the clock.
And Durant gets it to go.
Just taking it right to the rim, and no one was there to greet him.
Well, this early, they should be showing a lot more energy on defense. It's not there.
And he gets the bucket.
Always a good possession when you can get that kind of look.
Thompson outside. From deep. Nice shot by Okogie.
Knocked down that time by Josh Okogie. He's been working on that jump shot, and you can tell, trying to be more consistent with it.
It's Williamson with the drive. Murray from outside. Rockets with a rebound. And we're about a minute and a half into the first quarter. Thompson with it. He's picked up by Jones. Durant, no good.
And that's exactly how tightly you have to guard him every time he steps to the arc. He's just that good.
Williamson inside. And he makes it.
A monster down low. Zion is scary.
And so Thompson will bring it up for Houston. On the wing, Thompson. And there's a 3-second call. This one on the defense. Houston shooting their first free throw of the game here. No good on the technical, so unable to pick that one up.
I don't think you could design a better scorer than Durant. I mean, range from deep, the touch at the rim, excellent handle, 7 feet tall. He does everything you want from your first option.
Pass to Jordan. Williamson right side. Oh, a beautiful reverse layup. Williamson's got 6.
Beautiful reverse using his body to shield the finish. Nicely done.
And so Ime Udoka decides to call timeout. We might see him looking to make some tweaks to the strategy. And a little over 2.5 minutes gone here in the first. Hits the trifecta. He has 7.
3 points.
No fear or hesitation from KD. He's able to hit from anywhere.
Williamson right side. To the paint. Jordan with the bucket.
Sees his man, threads the pass inside. Excellent teamwork.
Outside Durant. Back to Thompson. We've got a minute 48 left to play in the first.
That is Thompson's game, rocking the rim and giving his team some energy.
Here's Murray. And there's the whistle. He'll head to the line to shoot 2. It's going to be on him in Thompson.
Yeah, and you never want to let shots at the rim go uncontested.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more. I mean, that's the message they were sending with that foul. Nothing easy inside.
And DeJounte Murray is truly the complete package. He does a little of this and a little of that. Anything you need out there, he can make it happen.
Extremely reliable. When he steps up to the line, you just kind of expect him to knock him down.
Here's Okogie. And Houston, another 3.
Boy, because of his athleticism, when Josh Okogie is knocking down the three-point shot, he is really uber dangerous.
Pass to Williamson. Jordan, the screen. Shoots over Capella. Jordan misses. And here's Durant. He'll bring it up for the Rockets. It's a 3-point game. Uses the glass on the layup. Durant's got 9.
Nobody better at getting inside and finding good looks. KD rarely forces anything, and he usually gets the best shot available.
Now here's Jordan. Here's Murray. He takes it in, and he gets that one.
He just brings a great feel for the game at the offensive end.
This will be his third free throw attempt of the game.
First personal foul.
There's 37 seconds left in the first quarter. Durant draws the double. Pass to Capella. Back to Durant. Inside. Some solid defense from Misi. The Pelicans trail. Thompson with a steal. Here's Okogie. Now here's Durant. He's got 9. Smith right side. And he gets it to go, hitting off the back of the rim.
I'll tell you, when he rises up to shoot, and with his height advantage, oh, he knows he's going to get a clean look.
You know, for me, it doesn't get any better to see.
19.
And for those of you just tuning in, second quarter action is where we are. And some stats here, guys. The scoring breakdown for the Rockets.
Well, they found a groove, and it's from distance, so knocking them down from the three-point land never hurts.
Houston working the ball around. Now the Pelicans in transition. Misi's shot is good.
And good awareness by Bay. I mean, he has a nice feel for when his guys are uncovered.
On the wing, Durant. Durant draws the double. Pass to Capella. Now Durant. He's covered by Bay. Shot clock at 5. Back to Durant. And it's slammed in by Durant.
And Durant doesn't need to get up too high to throw it down. I think he could be dunking well into his 60s.
Here's Poole. Poole working the interior.
Terrific design and execution, leading to an opportunity right at the rim.
Outside Durant. Okogie on the wing. Here's Thompson. Pass to Capella. And a foul called on the way up. So he'll take 2 from the free throw line.
And, you know, Capella has a big body, Kevin, and knows how to use it as he draws contact from the defense on his way up.
Both teams will make substitutions, so he can't get either to fall. Williamson looking around. Zion bullies his way in for the finish.
So strong inside. Zion fighting through it all.
On the wing, Durant. Durant takes it in. It goes again. His 6th basket in 7 tries.
Trading the lead back and forth, neither side is willing to back down.
Yeah, and the lead has changed hands, and it just hasn't stayed in those hands very long when it's changed. Back and forth we go.
And a little under 2.5 minutes gone by here in the second quarter. What a throwdown from KD.
What doesn't Kevin Durant do? He's showing us everything here.
So timeout called here, the first for New Orleans. Here's Fears. He's scoreless. Pass to Jordan. Williamson outside. Clock at 6. New Orleans needs to get off a shot. And slam dunk by Jordan.
Boy, somehow, some way, you gotta keep Jordan away from the basket, because if you allow him to get it there, he's flushing.
It's Durant with a drive.
Man, he made sure to get his money's worth on that foul.
He got him good there. I mean, that's why the shot was so far off.
He's 0 for 1 at the line, missing on his first trip. Second free throw, no good.
And that's surprising. He's usually automatic at the free throw line.
Williamson left side. Pass to Jordan. And as it goes out of bounds, New Orleans will keep possession.
He had the right idea, just couldn't come up with the swipe.
You know, fellas, 1 second quicker, and that's going the other way.
Launches a three.
Hey, he's listed at 6'4", but Okogie has an absolutely insane 7-foot wingspan. That really helped with his defense.
Outside Durant. Pass to Okogie. There's the triple. That's good. And so Durant with the assist. Okogie's got 9.
Defensive mix-up there. He's the last guy you want to leave open.
.102 left to play in the second quarter. Down low. Here's Jordan. And it's good with time running down on the shot clock. Jordan's got 4 points in the quarter.
Well, the paint is Jordan's home turf now. He moves and shoots with real confidence inside.
Houston working the ball around. Back to Van Vliet. Yep, count it. And the Rockets lead by 5.
Some defenses are designed to yield the mid-range shot. For him, that's a good look.
Williamson outside. Pass to Fears. Jordan to screen. Count the bucket. Coming off a perfectly placed pass. Give him 8.
Yeah, Fears really came into the league with above-average vision. This first half has been all him. He's getting to his spots and going to work.
And here's Williamson. Give him 8 points now. No good. Would have counted had it gone. And the first half comes to a conclusion in a game that's been very close so far. Rockets ahead, leading by 5. And don't go away. After the break, we'll see you right back here for the start of quarter number 3. And in that first half, we saw a pretty tight battle. We'll soon find out what sort of adjustments were discussed during halftime.
Because he's got such good touch down there, Van Vliet never afraid to mix it up inside.
To the inside, Jordan. Capella with a rebound.
Really good work by the defense to protect the rim and alter the shot.
Fires in the triple. Van Vliet's got 7 points in the game.
And that's on the defense, giving him a decent look. That's his shot.
Williamson up top from 10 feet away. Jordan with the bucket.
Unselfish play there by Zion. Moving the ball to another shooter.
Durant with it. He's picked up by Jones. Here's Smith. Oh, the dunk by Smith.
Since halftime, they have been efficient and effective, making Coach very happy.
Boy, I like the disposition and attitude since halftime. They're patiently looking for good shots.
Pass to Jordan. Capella with a rebound. Houston leading by 10. And here's Van Vliet. The 3. And the Rockets hit again from deep.
Timeout. Credit them for making the right halftime adjustments.
You know, they came out of the locker room, revved up the gas pedal, and haven't slowed down yet.
New Orleans calls timeout. Right around a minute and a half played in the third quarter. To the middle. Here's Jordan. That's good, and it's Jones with the assist. 12 points for him.
Well, that's exactly what you want from Jordan every night, in my opinion.
Nice shot by Finney-Smith.
Their offense is looking like a well-oiled machine, getting any look they want.
Boy, this is borderline ridiculous. I mean, every single attempt finding the bottom of the bucket.
Murray, no good. Houston with the ball. They're on a 12-4 run. Here's Thompson, and he drives in.
That first step is so dangerous with Amin. I mean, he was just gone.
Inside. Here's Jordan. That one's good. 7 for 10 now.
Excellent tempo on the play, and he leads his teammate perfectly.
Smith right side. Back to Thompson. Pass to Smith. Now Thompson. Here's Okogie. Unloads. And they turn it over. Shot clock violation as the buzzer sounds. Pelicans trail by 13. Now Murray.
2 minutes.
He's got 5.
2 minutes.
There's 1:54 left to play in the third quarter. Down low. Jordan. He's now 8 for 11 after that made shot.
Nice offense here. Close in. Great bet to go.
To the paint. Out to Thompson. Houston working the ball around. And down it goes. 2 points. Thompson's got 4 points now in the quarter.
You see there, Thompson does a good job of sneaking into the lane and finishing.
Pass to Bay. Capella on the double team. Out left to the wing. And it's off from three-point range. Houston leading by 13. And there's the whistle. That one goes on Herb Jones. That's his first foul. Both teams deciding to change it up.
Team foul. Substitution on the court.
Here's Durant. And Durant with the big finish.
Well, I like how quickly he threw the bounce pass there. Hard to defend against that.
To the inside.
Yeah, nice ball movement from Poole. Just setting up someone else out there.
Durant looking around. Pass to Şengün. Here's Okogie. Back to Durant. Here's Okogie. 9 points in the game. Shoots over Fears. And it's off the back of the rim. No good. Out to the wing. Down low. Here's Queen. And so it's the Houston Rockets in a good situation, up by 13 points to close the quarter.
Houston 50.
And as we head into the fourth, we'll see if there's a comeback in the works or if it's more of the same for the first 3 quarters. And it's the Pelicans with the ball, trailing by 13. Williamson with it. And the call will be against Alperen Şengün. That's his first foul of the game.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Poole right side. And it's stolen by Finney-Smith. They double team Durant. Pass to Van Vliet. Okogie on the wing. Launches it. Ooh, he's locked in. Drains his 5th shot in as many attempts.
This is what it's been since halftime. Remarkable results from downtown.
Boy, it's been a 3-point barrage. They came out gunning and have not stopped.
To the middle. Here's Queen. It's hauled in by Houston. Left side, Durant. Durant draws the double. Pass to Van Vliet. Shot clock at 3. And there it is for him. Durant's got 21 points in the game.
AD's aggressive streak coming out on that play. He can mix it up with the big guys when he needs to.
The Pelicans call timeout. so it's Poole with it. He brings it up for the New Orleans Pelicans. It's an 18-point game. Sinks that one from the post.
When Poole gets this close, he knows to go for it. He's not going to waste the chance at all.
Fires from the wing, and it's Jordan with the rebound. Here's New Orleans. Kicks it out to Williamson. That three's off the mark.
The defense may have given him that one. Based on the results, you see why.
For three, Durant. Williamson with a rebound. And here's New Orleans now. It's a 16-point game.
Yeah, what a display by Fears. The rookie showing off what he can do.
Takes a three. The three ball is down.
And just totally relentless, only increasing the intensity level.
Yeah, I love the fact he doesn't play the score. He just keeps coming, attack mode. He doesn't know how to step off the gas pedal.
Jordan the screen. Poole fires. And the three misses. Houston leading by 17. And stolen by Bay. And he slams it down.
Yeah, quick off the floor. Fear showing he can play above the rim.
Here's Van Vliet. Durant. And he sinks the jumper.
And they just continue to attack, even late in the game, while they're up big.
Yeah, I don't think you want to get loose and sloppy or ease up, but it is time for them to start using that clock a bit.
Outside Jones. Murray! Oh, off target from downtown. They double team Durant. 1:41 left in the fourth quarter. He shoots. And again, it's Houston.
Absolutely ruthless. He's not about to start showing mercy now.
Guys, when you're this hot, it's elementary. Let it fly. Keep staying at it.
That's 2 points they should have had. I'm sure he'd love to get that look again. It looks like it'll be a big win for them here. Time to just cruise to the end of the game and chalk up the victory for the Rockets.
They really had things going. Their offense carried them tonight, Grant.
Yeah, B.A., tonight, simply they won the battle of the field goal percentage. I mean, it made all the difference.
And as it was happening, as it was building, you knew this was a monster game for Kevin Durant.
Tremendous contribution from him scoring the basketball. Everywhere you look, his fingerprints were all over this game.
Durant draws the double. Shot clock at 6. Houston working the ball around. The three. Tries to keep it alive. And that one goes out of bounds. Last touch by Murray.
Substitution on the court.
And there's the call on Sadiq Bey. That's his first foul.
That was a good call. The defense wasn't established.
Yeah, it looked like it. I mean, he kind of slid underneath as he got to the spot, too.
New Orleans on D. Trailing by 19. Durant's shot is off. For three, Fears. Money from three. Durant fires. And so Houston takes this one by a big margin.